everyone. So today we are here to learn the electric circuit, its component, and the conductor and insulator, which are the material which can conduct electricity, which cannot conduct electricity. We all study in this video. So let's move. Circuit or circus? What do you think? We call it as a circuit or a circus. Which of these circuits would work? Which of these circuits would work? What do you think? In this, we are using the comb, battery, and bulb. In the second part, that is bulb, we are using the brush and bulb. But there is a no source of battery. Here, here we are using a screw which is made up of metal, and another we used that is bulb. In all the cases we are using the bulb, but we are using the different material which connect the wires, that is comb, brush and screw. In the case of screw, electricity will pass, but electricity generate करने वाला भी तो कोई होना चाहिए, that is battery. Battery was absent in both B and C. So what do you think? Circuit will behave as a circuit and conduct electricity or not? Just pause the video and think. Now your answer must be no, 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 because a plastic comb is not a conductor of electricity. In the B part, the plastic toothbrush is again not a conductor of electricity. And source is missing, power source भी missing है. There is no battery present in the case B as well as in case C. A metal screw is a conductor of electricity, but the power source is missing. अगर यहाँ पर हम C part में power source लगा देते तो हमारी electricity conduct हो जाती, हमारा circuit complete हो जाता. Is that clear? Okay, so let's move. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to do what? You describe the electric circuit, name at least 3 components of the circuits, and explain what happened in an electric circuit, differentiate the conductor and insulators. So let's move ahead. What is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is a complete path through which a electricity flow or a current flow. जब किसी एक सर्किट से एक पॉइंट से करंट निकलकर उसी पॉइंट तक वापस आ जाता है, then it is said to be the electric circuit. It should be constructed in an unbroken loop. That means जहाँ से start हुआ था वहीं पर आके खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. Then it is said to be the unbroken loop. Just you are seeing here, यहाँ से current आया, फिर ऐसे move किया, फिर यहाँ पे वापस आ गया इस point पे. Then it is said to be the electric circuit. So let's move. What makes an electric circuit complete? इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट को कंप्लीट होने के लिए कौन कौन से ऐसे कंपोनेंट्स हैं जो बहुत जरूरी है? तो कंपोनेंट नंबर 1, सबसे पहले आपके पास बल्ब होना चाहिए, या फिर जहां पर आप उस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज कर पाओ. वो बल्ब हो सकता है, वो आपका एसी हो सकता है, और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. साथ ही साथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करने के लिए आपके पास एक वायर्स होनी चाहिए. क्या होनी चाहिए? हमारे पास वायर्स होनी चाहिए. साथ ही साथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ कहाँ से रही है? वो एक सेल से आ सकती है, बैटरी से आ सकती है, जनरेटर से आ सकती है. तो ये सारी चीजें भी हमारी प्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए. अ सिंपल सर्किट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ बैटरी or the other source, light bulb, that is load, and the conducting wire. These 3 components must be present in a electric circuit. There are some symbols used for representation of the electric circuit. That is, one is cross, one is single line, another one is large vertical line, and another one is small vertical line. This large vertical line represents the positive terminal of the battery, and this small line represents the negative terminal of the battery. So this symbol totally represents the battery. Is it clear? And this symbol represents the wire. Hope so it is clear. Let's move ahead. Other circuit components are mentioned here. The first one is the battery, and the previously that we discussed the previous one, that we have discussed here. This is a cell, but when the many cells combine in a sequence, then it behave as battery. Let's see this in another template that is here. This one is said to be battery because there is a one, two different cells are acting in a same manner. Next, the closed switch. When this line is attached to the another point, is said to be a closed circuit, and closed circuit will result in a transfer of electric current. But in this case, when the wire is open, which is not attached to the another wire, then it is said to be the open switch because it does not conduct or transfer the electricity. Is it clear? Next is a resistor. Resistor is a variable load which opposes the flow of current. Is it clear? The symbol M represents the motor, and the symbol of resistor with a line represents a fuse. Is it clear? Let's move ahead. What happens in an electric circuit? What happens in an electric circuit? A dry cell provides a push need to the electron to flow in the loop. There's a need of pushing force. तो हमारा पुश फोर्स कहाँ से लगता है? Dry cell or a cell will apply a push force to an electron which moves and conducts the electricity in a loop. These electrons are already present in wires. When these electrons pass through the load or a receiver, the electrical energy can change into the other forms such as light, heat, and sound. Is it clear? So let's move ahead. Now we are doing completing the circuit. Given the bulb in a wire and a cell, can you suggest one way to connect them to get a bulb to the light up? अगर बल्ब को लाइट अप होना है तो हमें इन तीनों को कैसे कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में इन्हें कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. In such a way, just see, I place this is a bulb, and here this is my dry cell, and these all are the wires. I connected the bulb, wire and a cell with the help of a wires. One way to connect them such that the bulb does not light up. अब हमें ऐसे कनेक्ट करना है कि बल्ब लाइट अप ना हो. अब बल्ब लाइट अप ना होने की कंडीशन क्या हो सकती है? बल्ब लाइट अप होने की कंडीशन ये है कि हम इसमें एक स्विच लगा दें and that switch will be open like this, और इस स्विच के साथ साथ हमें एक सेल भी लगाना है लाइक दिस. इज इट क्लियर? तो ये हो गया हमारा सर्किट एज पर द कंडीशन. इज इट क्लियर? So let's move ahead. Completing the circuit sample. In the first case, bulb light up and the bulb does not light up. इस केस में bulb light up नहीं होगा. Complete the circuit again with the help of your teacher or the clear test whether your suggestion and diagram will make the bulb light using the actual batteries and small light up, and why. You can do these experiments with the help of your parents. Now see, what is the difference between the conductor versus insulator? Conductors, these materials allow the charge to flow freely, and in insulator, these material resist the free movement of charges. Is it clear? They do not allow to pass the flow of electron through them. Is it clear? The conductors are silver spoon, copper wires, and the insulators are diamond, rubber tire, or a rubber balloon. Is it clear? These are the conductor and these are the insulators. So let's move. Think about it. Can you name the other conducting material aside from copper wire and silver spoon? So I'm giving you a hint. All the metals, all the metals comes under the category of conductors. So you can take any example which are the metals are considered as a conductor. Is it clear? So let's move ahead. What can electric circuit do? Electric circuit क्या कर सकता है? Electric circuit plays a crucial role in our daily lives, such as it allows the specific device to produce heat and sound. जो आप यूज करते हो ड्रायर, उसमें हमारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाता है और वो क्या करता है, हमें हॉट एयर्स को ब्लो करता है, जिससे हम अपने हेयर्स को ड्राई करते हैं. साथ ही साथ हमारे घर में बहुत सारी लाइट्स होती हैं, वो भी किससे चलती हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चलती है. तो हमारा अगर घर में लाइट चली जाती है तो हम क्या कहते हैं, हमारे घर में अंधेरा हो जाता है, हमारे बहुत सारे काम नहीं हो पाते हैं. तो देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट हेल्प्स टू ट्रेन, मूव एंड मेक द ट्रैवलिंग टू वर्क और स्कूल इजियर. हम कुछ हमारी बसेस जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिक हो गई हैं, कुछ हमारी कार्स इलेक्ट्रिक हो गई, तो दे ऑल वर्क ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दे डोंट नीड फ्यूल, they need electricity instead of fuel as a fuel. Is it clear? Electricity also enables the cooling system of refrigerator to work. रेफ्रिजरेटर भी हमारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे ही वर्क करता है. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाएगी तो क्या कूलिंग कर पाएगा रेफ्रिजरेटर? नहीं कर पाएगा. Let's just review what we have learned today. What is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is a complete path through which electric current is flowing. Some of the components are the wire, bulb, and power source. A complete circuit features an unbroken loop where the charges can flow. It's a complete loop, it's not an incomplete and cannot be a broken. So, can we turn the lemon into electricity? Find it out how a lemon powered clock works. Research and share what you have found in a comment section.